Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it is Friday and it's kind of nippy outside. My nose is red and runny. But it's 48, so it feels good, but it's like still cold. And I just left Hobby Lobby, having spent the most I've ever spent at one time in Hobby Lobby. Oh my goodness. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But I got some good stuff. I got some signs. They had lots, I mean, almost everything I got was 50% off. And then I got some graduation stuff. I don't even know if I'm going to do a haul because it's so Mod Podgy, and it's kind of, sometimes hauls are hard to do, especially if you have like big things and things, so I don't know if I'm going to do a haul or not, but oh my gosh. It's crazy. I got some stuff. I got some plates for Easter, and it's so silly because we're going to be going out for Easter, but I have watched so many videos of people with their tablescapes and all that. It's just made me kind of feel like I wanted to do something like that. And with them being 40% off, these were so cute. I had to get them. They have little bunnies on them, and so I got those. So I don't know. I kind of went crazy, but that's all right. Every once in a while, it's okay to go crazy. My daughter needed some candy for her friends. She's gonna hide Easter eggs for them, and she's going to put a Bible verse in them, and then she wants to put some candy in them. And she said, "Mom, we like chocolate," and I know that they do, but of course the chocolate is the most expensive. And I was thinking I would just go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some, you know, like dollar chocolates, but they had candy at Hobby Lobby, and I thought, you know what, there's a trip I don't have to make if I just go there. So that's what I did. I just went to Hobby Lobby and I just got everything there, so that I didn't have to worry about making another trip to the Dollar Tree. Probably cost me, I don't know, $10 instead of $4, but means I didn't have to stop another place. Means I can be home by 4 o'clock and have everything in the house before my husband gets home. I'm teasing, he wouldn't care, but I work hard and make my own money, but it's still like, oh my goodness. I didn't even think about how much I was spending because I didn't want to know. I got some cute stuff though. Look at this even. It's just a little welcome sign. It has a little bird on it. I'm excited to put this out. It was $7.99, and then it was, I'm pretty sure that's right. Yeah, and then it was 40% off. So, I mean, everything I got was really inexpensive. So, oh, and I got this cool pillow that's sitting here. Bless this nest. Isn't that cute? I like things like that. And it's really soft. Not that we'll use it, but it's really soft. It's going to go on something that I have in mind for the foyer. But anyway, I like getting stuff like that, like Bless This Nest, because I call Katie Chicken, so it just kind of reminds me of her. And then I got some stuff for Alex's graduation. And all of the Paper Studio stuff was 50% off. That was a really good deal. I almost bought another planner, but I didn't because it was $10. But it was dated, and it was a 2017, or no, it wasn't, 2018. And I just didn't want to have to fool with it, because I don't know what I would do with it till the end of the year and all that. But I really liked the inserts. But then I found inserts that were not dated that looked the same, so I went ahead and got those instead. So I did some shopping. There was a part of me that wasn't even going to go to Hobby Lobby, and then I found everything there. Insane. And it started with a little wooden sign, not a little, it's a pretty big wooden sign that I thought might be cute for our bedroom. And it says, "In the morning when I rise, give me Jesus." I thought that was really nice, and I thought that that would be nice to put in our bedroom because that's where we rise. But then I'm also thinking I might put it in the foyer, maybe because, oh, there's something on the street. Because then everybody would be able to see it, my kids and stuff, so I don't know. Right now I'm leaning toward the foyer, if I have room for it somewhere. Crazy, but fun. I can't even tell you everything I got. I know I got chocolate for Katie and gum and taffy, so she can have all that. And then I got some stickers that have little kisses on them, like kisses. I thought those would be cute to put on letters to them, to Katie and Alex, because Alex is going to college in the fall. So crazy. My husband is going to stop and get the groceries on the way home, which is nice. I did the Kroger pickup or click list or whatever it's called. So that'll be nice. And so we got to put all those away. And then he's going to bring home dinner. He's bringing home Pho Vin, which is a Vietnamese place that has the best pho, chicken pho. I just love it, and I get it without noodles, so it's very good. And I'm gonna make some pot stickers. My friend Janie, for my birthday, thank you so much, Janie. I know you're watching because you love me and I love you. But she gave me some pot stickers for my birthday. I know that sounds like a really silly thing, but she had tried them from QVC and she loved them. And Tracy is also one of our friends, and her birthday is March 6th. And so our birthdays are really close together, and Janie was so sweet. She ordered pot stickers, excuse me, and had them sent to the both of us. So we both got a big box of pot stickers, and they are so good. So yummy, and they're chicken and they're just perfect. So I'm very excited about those. I had them for the first time yesterday, so I'm gonna make a few tonight with the pho, and I think my husband's gonna get fried rice. He always gets fried rice, so he'll get pork fried rice, and I don't think he'll get an egg roll today because I told him that I'd make those pot stickers. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer, and they turn out crispy and yummy, and I just love my air fryer too. I haven't really said anything about that yet because I just started using it, but oh my goodness, it is fabulous. I have fixed, what have I fixed in there? I fixed French fries, I have fixed turkey burgers, I have fixed bacon, I have fixed pot stickers. That may be it, but man, oh man, it is a wonderful contraption. I would highly recommend it. And Lisa, if you're watching, I'm kind of glad I didn't see you at Hobby Lobby today, because you would have thought I was a crazy lady with my cart all full. I was almost embarrassed at the checkout because it took forever to ring me out because I had so much, and I had like dishes, like dinner plates, couldn't remember the name of them, and the lady like wrapped those, which was super sweet, but it took forever. So that's kind of funny. I am so sorry. I didn't get enough sleep last night, that's for sure. And I just yawn when I'm in the car. I don't know why or how. So my plan is to get home and unpack all of this, and I need to get the mail and I need to do a couple unboxings. I haven't done my plan with me's yet. I really need to get those done because tomorrow I won't have time. I will be away. I have to go work tomorrow from 7 a to 7 p, and then I'm just staying where I'm at because it takes about an hour and a half to get home, and I didn't want to have to work for 12 hours having driven an hour and a half in the morning. So I'm gonna leave my house at 5 a.m. and so I didn't want to have to work until 7 and then drive home again because I'm afraid that I would be way too tired. So I got a hotel for that night. So tomorrow night I'm staying in a hotel, and then I'll just come home early on the next day, whatever, Sunday. So I guess I could do my plan with me's technically on Sunday, but I don't like to do it that way. But if I have to, I have to. But maybe I can get them done tonight still. I just wasn't in the mood earlier. Now I'm kind of in the mood, but I have so much stuff to do, and Dennis is going to be home soon, and he's going to be bringing the groceries and the food. So there's that. So if I'm late getting my plan with me's up, you'll know why. And it's a very good possibility right now. But I'm giving myself grace. I'd also like to walk Taz. Or go to the gym, but I think walking Taz sounds like a better idea just because it's a little nippy, but it's not bad. Okay, let's see here. I'm almost home. Alright, well, I think I'm going to end this vlog here and hopefully get it posted so that you guys will have something to watch. If you don't have my plan with me's is what I mean. But I will probably, maybe, I don't know. I don't know if I'll vlog on my way to work or on the way back the next day. Probably not on the way because it'll be dark. On the way back, maybe, I don't know. But anyway, I will talk with you guys soon, and hopefully I'll do a vlog or a haul so you guys will see this crazy haul from Hobby Lobby. But thank you guys, all of you, for watching, and have a wonderful day and a happy weekend. Bye-bye.